YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we're back with some quick fix videos on Pentair's Kreepy Krauly Platinum Pressure Side Pool Cleaner. Today we actually have the gray cleaner. We are going to dive in and start doing some fixes. Stay tuned. Alright, and we're back. So again, today we have Pentair's Kreepy Krauly Platinum Pressure Side Pool Cleaner. We are actually going to show you guys how to remove the top cover, and in doing so, needing to remove the bottom cover. So if you guys want to know how to remove the bottom cover, which I've already removed, make sure you guys check out the links in the description. Really simple process, looking for a couple Phillips head screws. Once you've done that, you're going to, again, look at the bottom of the cleaner here. You only have access to another two normal size Phillips head screwdrivers that are located right in the middle of the frame. So those screws are what you're going to need to remove in order to gain access and to take off this top cover. So I have a small Phillips head screwdriver here for you, and you're going to want the small one when you're dealing with any of the internal parts of the cleaner. But to get the main screws off of this bottom cover, it is better to use a bigger screwdriver. It just gives you better grip, so you don't have to worry about stripping out that bottom cover. So you're just gonna go ahead and loosen them up as much as you can here on both. Again, I don't like to completely remove the screws just because they're gonna fall out when you flip this thing over, so no reason to fiddle with that right now. Go ahead and loosen it up. We'll flip her back over. And then, of course, I didn't loosen it enough, so we're gonna go back and we're gonna loosen them one more time. It's one good test for you. Make sure. It also helps if you actually get the cleaner in the air like I do right now, so then that way you actually have pressure on the screws so that everything comes out for you. Now they should be good to go. Flip it back over. You'll hear those screws land on your surface. Stay away from the pool when you're working on the internal parts of this cleaner. Screws are very important, and you don't want to take the risk of dropping one of these into the pool and having to go fish it out. It's not a fun process. So once you remove those two after the bottom cover's off, it's just about working it around the feed mast on the cleaner itself. The top cover is actually split in the back for this reason. So don't be alarmed if you order a new top cover. It is split in the back, so then that way you can kind of work it off of the feed mast here. As you guys can see, it's split open on purpose. It's not done through shipping, it's meant to do that. So once you get that off, now you pretty much have access to almost all the working parts of the cleaner. The Platinum's pretty simplistic. You'll want to check out our future videos on when we start tearing into all of these screws, but it works pretty simple. As the water comes in, it spins a turbine, which actually will move the wheels, which then forces the cleaner around your pool to start sucking up all your debris and dirt. So make sure you guys check out the links in the description. We got a ton more videos coming your way. I'm Kyle with ePoolSupply. Thanks for watching.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.